blazing out. I'm gonna skin this coconut tree, make it look nice. I already took a few of them off. It just looks nicer when you skin them up. Plus this one's short. You don't even need a ladder. That one. Use like a 20-foot extension ladder to get that. That's being a little more difficult. About as much as I could take off. I left that one right there, this one, because it protects the beam for the coconuts. You want to take that off. The rest I took off all the way to the edge of the green. We changed that transition of color. It is pretty hot out there doing this. Tomorrow I'll do that big one. It just looks better when it's cleaned up. Today, blazing out again in Florida, Sarasota County. I manage, well, cut the grass and maintain the weeds and palm trees on this property. Lady's trying to sell it, but she's delusional about the price. Price gouging around here is unbelievable. I want to cut these seed pods off. They mostly roof rats like eat them when they get ripened. You don't want that. Plus it looks terrible when they turn brownish. And I'm going to trim that one, the bird of paradise, scratching on the shingles. Mainly it's this thing. You don't want that because it attracts rats. And then I'm gonna do a perimeter spray for these weeds in the island. I don't get paid enough to pull the weeds, I just spray them. Some people are just cheap. I need to use a ladder. Well, I think it's an 8-foot ladder. And then I use these little trimmers to trim them off. Inside this bottle, it's 91% alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I sanitize my clippers for every different tree or bushes I cut. Less is a chance of bacteria or something. Then I'll get probably sued for killing a tree or bush. Never want to put yourself out there. Let's do a perimeter walk. This is a priced house. I'm gonna spray these weeds down there. Right there. Spray these. I'm not going to pull them. Just look around back. I also cut the grass in this property until she sells it. Getting pretty close to being needed to be cut. Some weeds here I'm going to spray. They look pretty. Some weeds right there on the back. Definitely going to spray right here. This one I'll probably trim up tomorrow. The lower branches, make it look nice. I told the lady only $40 to cut this. That is dirt cheap, and she doesn't want to pay. So it's gonna look like this. Terrible. It can be squared up, rounded. It's overhanging into the grass. The same people don't want to pay. I'm gonna spray the weeds in there. Walk down this way. It's got a nice pool though. Best thing about this house is back here. I'm gonna spray some weeds back in this little island. See them down there. Spray all them. I'll probably trim this one up tomorrow. This little cluster. Tomorrow will give me something to do. And I'll spray in here. That'll be it. Today's small trim job. This is what you need to complete it. Ladder, snippers, or chainsaw. See what happens when you let your trees go around the roof. It deteriorates the shingles. See that? It's weird. The tree rubbing on the shingles. The insurance company won't pay to replace something like this. It's lack of maintenance. It's going to leak. Yes. That raccoons and even the possums would like a nest under there. Look at that. See the shingles, how they wore off and the branches rubbing them in the wind? Look at that. Smell it. It stinks. Just trimmed it up. Got the branches off the roof line. Should never let your house get this bad. Now I gotta blow it off. It's finished.